if you're experiencing connection errors in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that you have the latest version of The Sims 4 installed. Check for updates through the game launcher or your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable firewall/antivirus temporarily. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking the game's connection. Temporarily disable them to see if this resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your security. Step 5. Reinstall The Sims 4. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.